SSRM. Look at this nice chart. You've got a cup and a handle formation here, and I've drawn a little handle. This is the daily. A-rated group, earnings up 156% before the breakout. 90 composite rating. Now you've stratified your result. So let's advance it one day, and it pushes through on a pickup in volume. That's exactly what you want to see. And it goes up, and everything's great. Goes up, moving up. Volume's dropping off, as you can see. Inside bar on a pickup in volume. Continues up on a pickup in volume. Nice to see. Moving up, volume picking up. Falls on less volume, but a fall. What could a person do? Maybe sell just a little bit. Not all of it, but just a little bit. Advance it. Another bar. Check this bar out. Down on a pickup in volume. A pretty substantial pickup in volume. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. They were voting on this bar. Something to be cognizant of. Maybe take a little bit more off. Sell it all? No. But manage it. Down on less volume. An inside bar on a pickup in volume. That's good. Falls on a pickup in volume again. Look at that. Down on heavier volume. Down on heavier volume. It's talking. What is it saying? It's saying, hey, guess what? Big money's selling. That's what this is. You can't hide it. You can't hide elephants. Falls, less volume, but it's fallen down to the 20-day. You've sold some into strength to guarantee profits, and that's good. Inside bar. But we have a line here. If it loses the 20-day, you can sell the rest. And it craters down here today. And the rest is sold. And that's it. That's how you manage it. By the way, this entire move, no 5-minute charts, no 10-minute charts. Daily, hourly, 30-minute, and weekly. Here's the daily. I'll show you. There's the weekly. Cup and a handle. Cup with a handle. Volume. Good volume on that breakout. And it lifts up. And you manage accordingly. You manage accordingly. Weekly, back to the daily. And that's how you can consistently make money.